Meaning of fountainhead.
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 Fountainhead. The word fountainhead refers to the source or origin of something, especially something abstract like ideas or emotions. It is often used to describe a person who is the creative force behind a particular movement or ideology. The term suggests that this person is the starting point from which all other ideas and innovations flow. Essentially, a fountainhead is the central point of inspiration for a particular idea or concept, and everything that follows is influenced by it in some way.